Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you have been enjoying the importation training so far. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how to register accounts with the best shipping company, how to add shipping address to your 1688 account, how to place order and make payments, and how to track your goods till it gets to your destination. Please stay tuned. Before we begin, I want to quickly explain why you need to register account with the shipping company. The shipping company is in China. They are the ones that will receive your goods on your behalf. So after you register account with them, you will use the registered details to place order on 1688 so that by the time they receive your package, they will know that okay, this particular package belongs to this particular customer, so they are going to scan it and put it in your account. And by the time your goods arrive, they are going to send you a message for you to know that okay, your goods have arrived and the location for you to pick up your goods. So this is just basically how it works. I have been using this particular shipping company for like 3 years now, and I can tell you that it is the best because I have tried some companies in the past, but they were nothing compared to this particular shipping company. The best part of this shipping company is their rates are cheap, and you can track your goods on their website. Whenever a product is delivered in your account on 1688, you can easily track it in their website to confirm if it has actually been received. And another thing about them is they have good customer relationship. So whenever you have any problem, maybe a seller is telling you on 1688 that your goods have been delivered, and meanwhile it has not reflected in your account on their website. It is just for you to chat their customer care representative on WhatsApp, and immediately they are going to sort it out for you and you will see your goods in your account. So let's get started. To register account with the shipping company, go to your web browser, type www.skyjet.ltd, then wait for it to load. Then click User Center. Then from here, scroll down, then click Register Now. Then from here, you need to enter your phone number as your account name. This place, enter your phone number here like this, 080 blah 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 blah. Then enter your email address here, then enter your password. Please take note of this, use your WhatsApp phone number for registration, then also use that same phone number as your password, and you can use any other name as your username. Then register, then click Register Now to register your account. After you successfully registered, click View My Personal Information to log in. Then you can see some information here. They usually drop any info on their websites for customers. So click this one to close it. Then from here, you can see my phone number and my registration. So after registration, you can easily go to settings to change your password. So you can click on settings. So when you come to settings, you can now change any other information you want to change here. You can now put your nickname. If you didn't use, you want to change, edit your username, you can change it here. You can change your gender. You can put your date of birth. You can change any other thing. If you want to change your email, you can also do that here. Then you click submit. So after registration, you'll be given a member code, member number. This is my member number up there. So it is that member number is the member number you will be using and your phone number and your name that you and the shipping company's address in China. You all these details are what you'll be using to place your order on 1688. So we'll be back here later for me to show you how to track your goods. So let's move to the next topic. Next topic is how to add shipping address to your account on 1688. So this is what the address looks like. Is in Chinese language. It has to be in Chinese language exactly like this. The only thing you need to do here is to change my member code to your own code. Let's say, for example, your member code is 5678. You will change my code to yours. Then if, for example, your name is Juliet, you replace um, my name with yours, then also replace my phone number with your own phone number like this. So this is the address you are going to copy, then take it to 1688 to add it to your account on 1688 so that you can be using it to place orders. They have two different address. This first one is for C, while the second one is for A. So if you want to order goods to be brought through C, you will use the C address. That means you will have to add these two addresses to your 1688 account, and you shouldn't make the mistake of using the air shipment address for C goods. So let's go to 1688 now and add the address. I'm on 1688 now. Let's say I want to order this product. Then don't forget to always translate. Then click order now. Add the quantity you want to order. Let's say I want to order 2 pieces. It said it does not match. Okay, the minimum quantity is 5 pieces. Okay, let's say 5 pieces. Then this is where you can add your shipping address. You have to click the arrow on your right hand side close to my address. Click the arrow on your right hand side like this. Then after you click it, don't forget to always translate your page. After you click it, look below, then your left hand side, click on new shipping address. Click new shipping address. So click on it. So from here, copy that your address. Copy that your address and paste it here. Copy the name and paste it here. Now I've pasted it. Then click automatic identification. Automatic identification. Click it like this. So once you click it, it will automatically fill the place for you. Then you can now correct the name. So my name is Anel Collection. Then you correct it if it doesn't um, add your name correctly. Then you correct it. Then click save and use. So this is how to add your shipping address on your 1688 account. Let's move to the next topic. So next topic is how to place order and make your payment. So let's go back to here. This is the product we want to place order for right now. So when you click on submit, it will take you to where you can make your payment. Then the Alipay is always automatically selected because that is the only app you can use to make payments on this 1688. Then click to always translate so that you can see what is written. Click to pay. Then once you click to pay, it will bring out where you have to enter your code. So from here now, it is asking for six digit code that you have already used on your Alipay account. You know, the normal banking app, you always need your code, your PIN, before you can continue a transaction. This is where you enter the six-digit code. So I'm not going to place order for that, but if you don't place order for something, it's going to go to pending payments. Let's go and check it out. To check where your pending payment is, click on this contact icon to enter your account. Then you can see that I have two pending payments. So let's click on it, pending payments. So click on it, you will see the product. We just click, that's it over there. This is the product. So this is how to place order and make payment. The next topic is how to track your goods. So from here, please take note of this, where you see my order. So now you have so many, about 1 2 3 4 5 icons here. Now, you see the first one is pending payments, which I've already explained. Let's say you have paid for this product, it's going to move to be delivered. So you are going to say, if you have paid for one, then it's going to be showing one on top of this to be delivered area. So if the seller now accepts to deliver the product to you, it will move from to be delivered to this moving vehicle to be received. It therefore means that that product is already on its way. So by the time the product is delivered, you are going to see the tracking number of that product on your SKYJET account. Let me give you an example. Let's say you have ordered a product and it has moved from to be delivered to be received, this moving vehicle here. Then you click on it for you to track your, then you click on it. Once you click on it, then it will take you to the product you have ordered. Then click view logistics. View logistics. So once you click view logistics, you will see the, always translate your page. You see if it is already on the way or it has been received. Then you also see the logistics company that delivered it to the shipping company's address. This one was delivered by STO Express. So in case maybe you are supposed to receive a product and you didn't see it on your SkyJet, so they might ask you for the company that delivered it. You can just tell them that it's STO, the date it was delivered. Then this is the tracking number. The waybill number is the tracking number. So from here, once you see that, okay, your product that you ordered has been delivered to the shipping company, all you need to do is to go and confirm that on your account. So let's go to the website now. So you can now come to the shipping company's website like this to your account to confirm if what you ordered has been received. So if it has been received, you will see one on this apply to pack. You in this place that is 0. So if it is 10 products you ordered from different sellers, it will keep increasing each time your product is delivered. Once everything has been delivered, you can either apply everything to be shipped to you via the same website, or you can then chat the shipping company directly for them to ship your goods to you. So these parcel have shipped is, it means all the parcels that have been shipped to me. Let me show you. So this was the last goods I received in December. So you can see the tracking numbers here. This one is only two tracking numbers that's there. This is another one that I also received in the same month. So this is the tracking number. You can also click on the tracking number for you to see the picture of the product as when it was delivered. You can click on cargo photo like this. When you click on cargo photo, you will see the photo of the product when it was delivered and when they um, pasted it there. Then you will see the weight of each tracking number. Each track, if this first tracking number now is for a slippers, it means the weight is 0.12 kg. If this other one is for any other thing, it is 0.42. So these are all the weights. With this weight, you can be able to calculate your shipping fee per the products you order. When the shipping company ships your goods, they're going to send you receipt via WhatsApp like this. The receipt contains name, customer name, the tracking numbers, the weight of the goods, the amount to pay, the date and all that. So by the time your goods arrives, it takes about 5 to 7 days to arrive from China. So when it arrives, you are going to receive another message, a text message. You're going to receive this kind of text message that your goods have arrived, the amount to pay, and the bank account to pay to, and the address for you to go and pick your goods. And so in my next training, I'll show you how to calculate shipping fee. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, kindly support this channel by clicking on the subscribe button, share it with your loved ones, click on the like button, and don't forget to also drop comments. I'll personally reply to all the comments and any other questions you might have about this training. See you in my next video. Bye bye.